Hello. This is Dee from the Fishing Gardener. I just wanted to bring this video to you as far as my papaya tree. So the whole papaya tree collapsed. You see, we're trying to prop it up right here. I mean, we came out this morning and it was laying on the floor. Knocked this one over. So we got it propped up right now because we still have a lot of papayas on there. Now, we took a lot of papayas off. I kind of figured it was too heavy because there was so many papayas on here. And, all right, so this is how many papayas are still on here. And I'm going to show you the papayas that we took off. Plus, I gave some papaya to my neighbor. So, I don't know why it collapsed. I'm assuming that it was too top heavy. And that's why the whole entire tree flipped over. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the papayas that we actually took off to hopefully it won't collapse again, and maybe some more of these papayas could go ahead and ripen. Okay, come on. Are the papayas that we took off. Went ahead and put them in our sink and rinsed them. To try to, the tree I felt was like probably top heavy. It had so many papayas. So these are what we took off of the tree, and I showed you exactly what was still on the tree. So right now, the hubby propped it up with some wooden stakes so we can see if we can get some more to ripen. And I don't know how much damage has been done to the tree. It has a thick trunk, but it's okay. Even if it is damaged, it has definitely given us enough fruits to last us a long time. So one thing good about the red lady papayas is they're very easy to grow. So we always have 1 or 2 on backup to give us more papayas. And these papayas right here, I'm going to go ahead and when they ripen, hopefully they ripen, I'm going to go ahead and cut them up and put them in the freezer and use them for our smoothies. And some we'll go ahead and eat. And of course we'll share with our neighbors. So just bring you to that little info of a top heavy papaya tree that was so full of papayas that it just fell over and collapsed. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.